Hello everyone. Our next part of discussion is theories of reaction rates. In this video, I am going to explain in detail collision theory of reaction rates for biomolecular reaction when collision occur between similar molecules. Before I start with this, you should know the types of theories of reaction rates. Two main theories to explain the rate of different chemical reactions are collision theory and second is transition state theory or theory of absolute reaction rates. First is collision theory of reaction rates. This theory is based upon the kinetic theory of gases, according to which the molecules of a gas are continuously moving and hence colliding with each other. For a collision to occur, at least two molecules must collide. Therefore, we consider biomolecular reactions. First part of this collision theory is collision theory of biomolecular reactions. It is based upon two postulates. First is the products are formed only when the reactant molecules collide with each other, and the collision must be effective only when they possess sufficient energy of activation. Hence, if F is the fraction of molecules having activation energy, EA and Z is the number of biomolecular collisions per unit volume per second between the reactant molecules, then the rate of a biomolecular reaction is given by rate is equal to Z into F. From Maxwell-Boltzmann law of distribution of energy, the fraction of total molecules in a gas which possess energy equals to or greater than activation energy is given by F is equal to delta N by N is equal to EA upon RT, where N is the total number of molecules and delta N is the fraction of molecules gets activated. And this term is called exponential factor. This gives the fraction of total number of molecules that gets activated. Now substitute the value of F from equation 2 into equation 1. Then we get rate is equal to Z into E raised power minus E upon RT. Now, the rate equation from collision theory are derived for two different cases. First case is that when the biomolecular collision occur between similar molecules, and second case is when the biomolecular collision occur between two dissimilar molecules. In this video, I am going to explain in detail this case where the biomolecular collision occur between similar molecules. These are two similar molecules of hydrogen iodide. They react to form H2 gas plus iodine gas. Consider a biomolecular reaction. Here there are two similar reactants. They give product. From kinetic theory of gases, the number of collisions per unit volume per unit time is given by this relation. Here we take AA because we have two similar molecules. Uh, so that AA is equal to 1 upon root 2 pi V sigma square A and square A, where sigma A is diameter of molecule A, that is collision diameter, V is average velocity of the molecule, and N is the number of molecules uh, undergoing the collision. From kinetic theory of gas, the value of average velocity is given by this relation, where m is the mass of single molecule A, k is Boltzmann constant, and its value is fixed, that is 1.38 into 10 raised power minus 23. And T is the absolute temperature in Kelvin. Now substitute this value of V from this equation into the equation 4. So substitute the value of V in this relation, we get ZAA is equal to 1 by 2 under root 2 pi sigma square A and square A. In place of V, put this value. On solving this, we get uh, root of 8 is equal to 2 root 2. Root 2 of this and this root get cancelled by each other. So we get 2 sigma square A and square A under root of pi kt upon ma. To obtain the above equation in terms of molar mass of A, we write K is equal to R by N. One second. K is equal to R by N and Ma is equal to Ma upon N. Now, where Ma is the molar mass of A and N is the Avogadro's number and R is the gas constant. Equation 7 becomes that AA is equal to 2 sigma square A N square A under root of pi. In place of K put R by N into T, and in place of small ma put this value, that is capital Ma upon N. On solving this, we get this term. Now substitute this value of ZAA from equation 7 into equation third. Uh, that is, equation third is this, that is rate is equal to ZAA into e raised power minus EA by RT. Now put this value of ZA in this equation, then we get this relation. Now, since each collision involves two similar molecules, the rate of reaction in terms of molecules of A reacting per centimeter cube per second is given as minus dNA by dt is equal to 2. Actually, this is for only one molecule. Here we have two similar molecules. So for two similar molecules, the rate is given by multiplying this relation with 2. So on multiplying this relation, we get this rate is equal to 4 sigma square N square A under root of pi RT upon MA into e raised power minus EA upon RT molecules per centimeter cube per second. In general, for a biomolecular reaction, AA gives product. The rate of reaction is given by K N square A, where K is the rate constant. Now compare equation 9 and 10. Left hand side of equation 9 and 8 are equal, and on right hand side, this is Na square, Na square, this is also Na square. This A comes in subscript. So these two gets cancelled by each other. So remaining equation is K is equal to 4 sigma square A under root of pi RT into e raised power minus EA by RT. Now, using this value of K, we can determine the frequency factor in Arrhenius equation. Now compare equation 11 with Arrhenius equation. So this is Arrhenius equation, that is K is equal to A E minus EA by RT. So for determination of A in Arrhenius equation, we compare this equation with Arrhenius equation. On comparing this equation, we get A is equal to 4 sigma square A under root of pi RT upon MA centimeter cube per molecules per second. On comparing Arrhenius equation with 11, left hand side are equal, and on right hand side of both the equations, we have e raised power minus EA by RT. So these both get cancelled by each other. So we get this relation. Now the rate equation 9. This is rate equation because it gives the rate, and the rate constant equation 11 because K is the rate constant equation, it gives the rate, and the frequency factor equation. A is frequency factor, it gives the frequency that with which the two molecules collide, with which frequency they collide is given by this frequency factor. So the equation 12 is the frequency factor equation. They can be expressed in terms of molar concentration. These 9, 11 and 12 equations are expressed in terms of molar mass. Now we can express. Now we are going to express these in terms of molar concentration. So for this, the concentration of A is expressed in moles per liter as concentration of A is given by number of moles of A upon total number of moles into 1000 moles per liter, where N is Avogadro's number. So dNA is equal to N upon 1000 into dA, or dA is equal to 10 power cube upon N dNA. Therefore, the reaction rate is given as by minus dA by dt is equal to. So put the value of dA from this relation into this relation. So we get minus of this into 10 raised power 3 upon N dNA and this is this dt, which becomes tan raised power of 3 upon na and minus dna by dt. Now substitute this value of minus dna by dt from equation 9 into equation 3rd. Then we get in equation 9 we have in equation 9 we have this value of dna because rate is given by minus dna by dt. So this is the value of minus dna by dt. So put this value of dna by dt in equation 13. Then we get minus dA by dt is equal to tan raised power 3 upon n, and then put the value of dna from previous equation, that is from equation number 9. Now substitute for na is equal to n concentration of A upon 1000 in above equation. Then we get minus dA by dt is equal to tan raised power of 3 upon n for sigma square A. This is value of n. We have to put here the value of n square A. So square this term, then we get n square concentration A square upon tan raised power 3 into tan raised power 3 under root of pi RT upon MA into e raised power minus EA by RT. So this tan raised power 3 get cancelled by this tan raised power 3. This 1n get cancelled by this and 1n. So the remaining term is rate is equal to 4 sigma square A and A square upon 1000 under root of pi RT upon MA into e raised power minus EA upon RT moles per liter per second. This equation is for rate, for calculation of rate. Now compare this equation with general rate law equation. That is for two similar reactant molecules, the rate law is given by rate is equal to K, this is constant, into concentration of reactant का square. So we get K is equal to 4 sigma square A. So comparing these two equations, then we get left hand side of both the equations are same. So we get K is equal to 4 sigma square A n upon tan raised power cube. This A square get cancelled by this A square under root of pi RT upon MA into e raised power minus EA upon RT liter per mole per second. Now, so we get here the relation of rate constant. So for calculation of frequency factor, that is A, we compare this equation with the Arrhenius equation. What is Arrhenius equation? This is Arrhenius equation, that is K is equal to AE minus EA upon RT. So we get these both sides are equal, and on right hand side we have this and this term are equal. So these two terms get cancelled by each other. Remaining term is A. Left here A is equal to 4 sigma square A and upon 10,000 under root of pi RT upon MA liter per mole per second. This is the equation for frequency factor. Equation 9, this is rate. This equation 11 is rate constant, and this equation is frequency factor, and these three equations are in terms of molar mass, and this equation is also for rate, and this is for rate, this is for rate constant equation, and this is frequency factor equation, and these two equations are in terms of molar concentration. So this is all about the collision theory for biomolecular reactions when we have two similar molecules, reactant molecules, where we take hydrogen iodide HI, which gives H2 plus I2 gas. So in my next video, I will explain the collision theory for biomolecular reaction, where where the collision occur between the two dissimilar molecules, where two reactants are different. Thanks.